Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Thursday, April 21st, 2022. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. And as always, if you can, please do like, share, and subscribe. It does help the channel quite a bit. So thank you for doing so. Temperatures this morning remain a bit chilly, but not too far off from where we should be for this time of year. Temperatures range from the upper 30s to lower 40s over the far northern interior. Mid to upper 40s in your suburbs and upper 40s to lower 50s in your urban areas, with light and variable winds starting to develop out of the southeast ahead of an advancing cold front. You can see our cold front approaching. Now, the actual surface map is, well, you could probably take this cold front here and put it right about here as it's advancing pretty quickly. This is featuring more bark than bite. A lot of this rainfall is not reaching the ground, and by the time it reaches our neck of the woods, it actually is going to be collapsing quite a bit, as the best forcing or lifting associated with this frontal boundary will be focused more towards the St. Lawrence River Valley and northern New England. So expect this area of showers to basically collapse as it is moving east. On the latest visible satellite picture, you can see clouds starting to increase from the west. That'll continue on through the afternoon with these showers approaching the region by the time we get to the evening rush hour. So let's say about 4 or 5 o'clock, you'll start to see isolated showers moving through the region, capable of a brief moderate downpour, but not really looking for much in the way of significant rainfall, maybe 1/100th of an inch of rain, if that. And on the infrared satellite picture, you can see that cold front approaching. And again, you have your colder cloud tops here right now over western Pennsylvania, but as we move on through the day, the best lifting and dynamics will be focused towards the eastern Great Lakes and towards the St. Lawrence River Valley, away from the northern Mid-Atlantic, and that's going to allow these showers to weaken and start to become more isolated in nature. Once this cold front moves through, this high pressure system that is currently over the Great Lakes will build into the region, but it'll also set up what we call a backdoor cold front scenario, setting up for this upcoming weekend. And we could think the trough that is associated with this cold front to create a rather dynamic and impressive thermal gradient, especially by Sunday over the region. How about upper 40s to lower 50s on the eastern and Long Island, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley? Now that is what I call a thermal gradient for this time of year. But this is typical for spring. You see this a lot, especially during La Nina years, and especially when you have a weak to moderate La Nina in control. You kind of get these upper level lows to cut off and frequent backdoor cold fronts. So let's dive through this forecast. For today, look for increasing clouds with showers developing this evening. Temperatures will range from the mid-50s over the interior to the mid-60s along the coast. For tonight into tomorrow morning, those showers will move through in the evening, followed by scattered cloud cover towards midnight into tomorrow morning. Temperatures will fall off into the lower to mid-40s over the interior, mid to upper 40s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, that high pressure system will be building south with clear skies to scattered cloud cover. Temperatures will range from the upper 50s over the northern interior to the upper 60s in the Delaware River Valley, upper 50s to mid-60s along the coast. Now here's where things get interesting. On Saturday, our high pressure system starts to shift towards basically New England, and you get another feature up here towards the Canadian Maritimes, okay? So this high pressure system starts to support a southeasterly wind that's going to start to transport an air mass from the Atlantic into the northern Mid-Atlantic and to the coastal plain. Your frontal boundary, which was the old cold front from this evening, is going to be setting up right about here. So most of the region on Saturday will be under the influence of this maritime air mass, with temperatures ranging from the lower 40s over the interior to the upper 40s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the upper 50s over the interior and mid 50s along the immediate coast on Long Island, upper 50s to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley. Not that much of a strong thermal gradient there. The more sunshine you see, the warmer you'll be. On Sunday, that frontal boundary begins to retreat and basically is set up through the coastal waters of Long Island, New York City, and up through the Hudson River Valley. And that's going to lead to a thermal gradient of temperatures ranging on Sunday from the mid to upper 40s for lows, and high temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to mid 60s over Connecticut and Long Island, lower to mid 60s around the New York City metro and up towards the Hudson River Valley and along the immediate Jersey Shore, and then upper 60s, or should I say lower to mid 70s just away from the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s along the Delaware River and eastern Pennsylvania. So again, a very dynamic, very impressive thermal gradient setting up over the region. Along and to the east of the cold front boundary, expect overcast cloud cover with isolated showers. To the southeast of that cold front boundary, scattered cloud cover to clear skies are expected. On Monday, that frontal boundary sinks to the south and east with scattered to broken cloud cover. Again, isolated showers a threat. Look for low temperatures in the mid 40s to lower 50s. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s away from the coast and mid 50s to lower 60s along the coast. On Tuesday, a cold front with a wave of low pressure will move through with periods of shower, especially in the afternoon and evening. Look for low temperatures to range from the upper 40s over the interior to the mid 50s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 50s along the immediate coast and upper 50s to mid 60s away from the coast. On Wednesday, that low pressure system exits with showers in the morning, followed by scattered cloud cover and isolated showers in the afternoon. Look for low temperatures in the upper 30s to mid 40s and high temperatures ranging from the upper 40s over the interior to the mid 50s along the coast. And on Thursday, we get a new cutoff upper level low to the east of the region that's going to transport a maritime air mass into the area with scattered broken cloud cover, isolated showers. Yeah, maybe even an isolated snow flurry or two up towards the Catskills we'll have to keep an eye on. Temperatures will range from the lower to mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 40s over the interior to the upper 40s to lower 50s along the coast. So not exactly a warm-up, except for maybe Sunday, if you're in Philadelphia. So sorry if you're looking for much warmer weather. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have an excellent day, and as always, stay safe out there.